Today's project is based on the 7 elements of art. The elements of art are like the ingredients in a recipe. Sometimes artwork may only require the element of line and maybe color. Some pieces of artwork might not even have color. A good artist will know how to use these elements in their artwork. Today, our project is based on the element of line. In today's project, we will be able to practice drawing lines. With practice, we're able to control our medium and create nice lines for our artwork. This is the project that we are creating. This project is a 2-part project. The first part, we will create lines. The second, we will add the color. Pause this video here so you can gather your materials for this project. The first thing that we need to do is create a frame on the edges of our paper. Use your steadiest hand, draw your best straight line near the edge of each side. And if it's not super straight, that is okay too. We are practicing our line work today. We want our paper to be going up and down, or portrait. Now I'm drawing some curvy lines going down the page. Use a steady hand so that your lines can be smooth. Notice that I'm moving my whole arm. Try not to move your wrist so much so that your lines can be a lot smoother. What we are drawing here are some tubes that are lying right next to each other going down the page. The tubes that I'm creating are different widths. Some areas are more narrow than others. If you are not happy with a line, make sure to use that eraser to correct those lines. Now we need to create parallel lines that go left to right going down our tubes. The lines that we are creating now are not straight lines. Notice how they are a little curvy to resemble the shape of the tubes. For my second tube, I'm drawing curved lines that go downward. Mix and match the direction of how your lines look on the tubes for the rest of the project. I know this is a lot of work, but you are practicing the element of line. You are trying to control your medium a little bit better. If you feel like your hands are strained, just give it a nice stretch, a nice shake, and then continue working on those lines. You got this. After using our pencil, we outline everything in black marker. You can use any black marker, but I find Sharpies work the best. We will stop here for the end of part 1 of this project. Join me next week when we color in the tubes. If you didn't finish this today, just make sure to have it done before next week's lesson. See you then.